guys, welcome back to our Guilt-Free Kitchens channel. Today we are going to be making 50 cups of healthy desserts for a house party, and I want you to go on this journey with us. It's going to be exciting, so watch out. Okay, so first we are going to be starting off with the kebab, the fruit kebab, which is going to be the garnish for the dessert. It's a parfait, making use of our Greek yogurt, granola, coconut flakes, and a lot of fruits, purees for the toppings as well. Bamboo toothpick. Okay, so first off, we're going to be starting off with this beautiful fruit kebab. Here I have my grapes, tangerine, strawberry, pineapple. We have blueberries, we have mint leaves, we have tangerines, mango cubes, kiwi as well. So we're going to make the fruit kebabs first, and that will be going on the parfait as the garnish. We're making use of Greek yogurt, granola, and coconut flakes from Guilt-Free Cravings. You can check us out on Instagram and you can place your orders. Thank you. So as you can see, we're playing around with the fruits. You can decide to use it however you like, but preferably put a strong fruit under the base so that you can support the other ones. I have pineapple here. You can use chunky mango as well. Okay, so we are done with our kebab sticks. Yay! Okay guys, so the kebab is ready, and now we go on to setting our Greek yogurt and the other toppings. So the first fruit that is going into the parfait is apples, and we cut it in cubes already and also added some lime so that it doesn't turn brown. Now it's time for granola and coconut flakes. Look at this crunchy, delicious granola. You definitely should try it out. Parfait, say hello.
Hello! What's up, people? So here we are adding our crunchy granola and coconut flakes. You can get it from our online store on Instagram at Guilt-Free Cravings NG. The link will be in the description box below, so remember to check it out.
Thank you. Now it's time for some extra apple toppings. Guys, the next on the list we have bananas, and I'm going to be topping it on the parfait. Next on the list we have mango puree. We have freshly blended mangoes, and it goes into our special tropical parfait always. This is our special homemade berry compote. We have a combination of strawberries, black currants, mulberries, grapes, spices like cinnamon. We have mint leaves in it, and We sweetened it naturally. So it's the next on the list to go into the parfait. And here is to one of my best fruits. I can't say my best fruit, but one of my best fruits, and that's passion fruit. Now it's time for our guilt-free granola again. Our ever crunchy and not filled granola. Look at this, and our coconut flakes as well. So they're going in before we now garnish with our fruit kebab and the mint leaves. Let's go. So now it's time for the kebabs going on it as the toppings for garnishing. I definitely want to be in this house party. What about you? So you can definitely send a message to us at Guilt-Free Cravings NG to cater for your events, for your house parties, iftar parties, office get-together. We are definitely going to serve you something amazing, delicious and healthy. You can trust us on that. Thank you guys for watching so far. So right now what we are doing is packing up, closing up, putting spoons. We're going to pack up with ice in polystyrene boxes, to keep it cold till it gets to the destination. All right guys, I know for a fact that I definitely want to be in this kind of house party. If you think you would like to attend a house party that has this amazing desserts, comment below and share your thoughts with me. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and tell us what you like to see more from us. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video. Bye.